In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate image in Microsoft OneNote. If you've ever pasted a photo into your notebook and realized it's sideways or mirrored, this quick guide will show you how to fix it using the built-in tools in OneNote for Windows or Mac. Start by clicking the image you want to adjust. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or small handles around it. This ensures any changes you make apply only to that image, not the rest of your notes. If you're having trouble selecting it, zoom in a little or click once away from the image, and then click it again to confirm it's highlighted. Next, open the image menu. Right-click the selected image to bring up the context menu. On a Mac, you can control-click or use a two-finger click on the trackpad to do the same thing. From that menu, choose Rotate. You'll see a second menu appear with all your rotation options. Here's what each option does. Rotate. Right 90 degrees turns the image clockwise in one step. Rotate. Left 90 degrees turns it counterclockwise. If your image is upside down, choosing either option twice will rotate it 180 degrees. Flip horizontal mirrors the image from left to right, which is useful if a photo or diagram appears reversed. Flip vertical mirrors it top to bottom, which can help correct images that look inverted. You can apply the rotate command more than once. For example, if you need 270 degrees clockwise, choosing rotate right 90 degrees 3 times will get you there. Take a moment after each change to make sure the image lines up with any surrounding text, drawings, or annotations in your page. A quick note about limitations. OneNote rotates images only in fixed 90-degree increments. There isn't a free rotate handle or a way to enter a custom angle inside OneNote. If you need a precise angle, say 15 or 30 degrees, open the image in a photo editing app first, rotate it there to the exact angle you want, save it, and then insert that edited image back into your OneNote page. On most systems, the default Photos or Preview app can handle this easily. When you reinsert, you can drag the corners to resize while holding Shift to keep the proportions looking crisp. That's all there is to it. Select, right-click, choose Rotate, and pick the option that fits. With these simple tools, you can keep your notes tidy and your images oriented exactly the way you need.